Hi, Antonio Yarbrough here with Lifeboat Financial Group, and I want to talk to you about the mortgage safety trap. I talk to homeowners every single day, and I've noticed a terrifying trend. Most people think that they have a safety net for their home, but in reality, they're just paying for the bank's insurance policy. If you bought your home with less than 20% down, look at your monthly statement. You'll see a line item called PMI. That's private mortgage insurance. You're paying for it, but here's the kicker. If you pass away tomorrow or get a diagnosis that keeps you from working, that insurance pays nothing to your family. Let's break this down. PMI is a requirement by the lender. It is there because that bank thinks you're a risk. Since you didn't have a huge down payment, if you default, the bank gets their money back. Now, let's talk about mortgage protection. This is a plan designed for regular people like you and I, not financial institutions. This is a policy that fights in your corner. If you die, it pays off the mortgage. So your spouse and kids own the home free and clear. No more monthly mortgage payments, just peace of mind. But it's not just about death. Most modern plans have living benefits. If you have a heart attack, a stroke, or a cancer diagnosis, the policy can pay you out while you're still alive to cover the mortgage while you recover. That could be the difference between keeping your home and a foreclosure sign in the yard. Why is this important? Well, I want you to think about why you bought your home. You didn't buy it to be a real estate investment for the bank. You bought it to be sanctuary for your family, a place where your kids grow up, for your family to make memories. So, why are you only required to protect the bank's interest? Why isn't it a requirement for you to protect your family? If you're willing to pay $100 or $200 a month to make sure that the bank stays whole, shouldn't you do the same to make sure your family stays in their home if the worst were to happen? Well, the good news is getting a mortgage protection plan is a lot simpler than the original mortgage process. No crazy medical exams, and we could tailor it to fit your exact budget. Stop subsidizing the bank's risk and start securing your family's future. If you want to see what a custom mortgage protection plan looks like for your specific situation, I'm here to help. Shoot me a DM now with a house emoji. I'll reach out, we'll look at your numbers, and we'll make sure your family is the one protected, not just your lender. Have a good day.